Hello everybody, and we're back on Planet Eric in the Mirror Ruins. We have just fought our way through a horde of incredibly dumb things, and I think we're going to enter a tournament. Excuse me. Wait. What? Back at the beginning, so I'm sure whatever ahead of me has to do something with the tournament. So I've lied about everything. It's not something I normally do. There's a nut over there I can turn, but I can't get to it. So, only other option? Go this way. Into the sewers.
Oh boy, I think this place may have a slight cerathoid infestation.
Whatever is cerathoid. Crap. And now we're locked in. Knew something was over here. Just knew it. And just to make sure. Yep, okay. Whoa! Well, there, mission completed.
Well,
we can go home.
Any ideas?
We should look for signs of Pollux' equipment. If he used grav targets to move across the ruins, we may be able to trace them back to his location.
Oh. Will I make it? Yep. I don't like the darkness.
Hey there, Ratchet! I see you found another part!
Oh, he's alive.
You're alive.
Oh, yeah, I was fixing up the old Nebulox vault when, boom, the lights went out. I tried to leave, but wouldn't you know it? Locked. I don't suppose you'd be of any assistance.
Do not worry. We will come to your aid as soon as possible.
Oh, thanks, little fella.
Don't mind me, little weird creature-like items. I'm just passing by. Stay away from me! All of you! Oh, hello? Nope, that's just nothing. Okay. Anything? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. What is my flashlight? Oh, it's that weird little orb thing that I'm never able to look at. Hero? Hello? Obviously something's down there, 'cause I don't think the bug creatures put those up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, there's so many! Call me the exterminator of weird cave bug spider-like items.
Look, Thug dropship. Let's follow it and see if it leads us to Pollux' lab.
That's right, my ammo's full.
Tal, Pollux' grav targets are everywhere. We must be getting close.
Be careful. The twins kidnapped him 6 months ago. Who knows what they've been having him work on?
I saw something out there. Well, fine.
You're gonna look right in my fire.
You know, I wanted to just go explore. You guys want to ruin that for me, so go away. Stop it. Stop it. I don't trust you way over there either. So let's see. We want to go bam. Bam. Let's see what's over here. Could it be health? Darn. I thought I would, but I was close. I can still use a lot of health.
You ain't so tough.
Who said that? Alright, I get the finishing music. Because I killed him. Ow! Forgot there was exploding ones. Flying through space. Still flying through space. Hello. It's always a time limit. Oh crap! Oh crap! Alright. Wrong. Lie. Mouth. Flying away. 30 seconds to do that. Whee! That's right. I showed all of you. Intriguing. So I'm supposed to go back this way. There's a place I wasn't able to reach. Intriguing. Anything up here? Anything at all? Anything of importance? Importance.
There's gotta be a way through this quick.
You were saying something might be important. Hello, no. Oh!
What are you doing here? What?
We're here to rescue you, but you need to tell us what the twins have you working on.
Nothing. It's just this pet project I had back at the office. Certainly nothing illegal. Just a tiny, insignificant, trans-dimensional portal device.
What sort of trans-dimensional portal
That sounds
device?
very mischievous.
Ned, what's going on down there?
I'm hosting my book club. You want to join?
No. As you were.
Really? A book club? Captain Quark and a book club?
Come on. We don't have a lot of time. We'll have to do this quickly.
Begging your pardon, but do what quickly?
Kill Clank?
What did you do to him?
Trans-dimensional software upgrade. I'm gonna have to give you a crash course.
Okay.
This entire planet is filled with dimensional rifts to a reality the twins call the Netherverse. Your upgraded spotlight uses irradiated particles to detect them.
Irradiated particles? Is that safe?
Oh, don't worry. I'm perfectly safe as long as I stand far, far away from your incredibly radioactive body.
What? I don't want to be near him. He's radioactive. Did he blow up? I don't know much about Clank. Hello. Anything else I should be thinking about while I'm in here? Like, what's this? Boxes of money. Or I should say boxes of bolts. Anything else in here? Like, what's this thing? Can I go through here? No, I can't. Well, boldly go where no rat, furry, wombat creature has gone before! Oh, or just Clank.
Congratulations! You just crossed into a new reality. These dimensional rifts were created long ago by the explosion of the Great Clock.
Whoa.
Now you can use them to cross into and out of each reality. Okay, enough exposition. Let's test out your new firmware.
I don't even know how I got up here. Oh, okay, that's how I did it. Oh, this is confusing.
Looks like you may be stuck. Look around for another safe surface.
How about you look around for another safe surface? Why don't you come in here and do all the darn hard work? That's probably not safe to touch. Probably just not touch it.
Look, a indigenous creatures of this reality. See if you can lead him back to the rift.
And how am I to do that? Exactly?
He's sleeping. You walk over there and smack him.
But why?
Yeah. Why?
Of course. Good job. Now lead the Nether back to the rift. Its energy signature will set off a violent earthquake.
What scientific purpose will that serve?
None. I've been here 6 months. I'm bored.
Nice work,
Oh
pal.
my goodness.
The test is a success. You were born for interdimensional travel.
So the Zarkov sector is not haunted. These ghosts are actually nethers.
Those antennas we've been seeing around the city. Think those have something to do with all this?
They're rift beacons. Vendra's personal design. I just saw her in the orphanage a few hours ago working on this thing. Never mind.
This thing, huh? Well. Well, everyone, that's all the time we'll have for today. We'll see you next time on the next episode of Ratchet and Clank Into the Nexus! And churros. Lots and lots of churros. You know, when I think about it, I look at his face and he's thinking about things, I'm literally thinking like, did I turn off the stove? Stove. Microwave, maybe? I'm sure I'll be okay. Anyway, next time, join us, stay tuned, subscribe, blah blah blah. Alright.